I've been walking around this area, Parco Berro. Once again, people sleeping rough upon the streets everywhere. Over there we can buy, I already been buying the beer. It's like cheaper for 2 mil pesos, 2.5 mil pesos. Like in hotel it was 6, almost 2 times cheaper over there. Cervezas, it's open right now, distribuidora. Right now I'm gonna go to change the money because I ran out of the pesos. I'm gonna need to change some dollars. Some kind of the play money, resta. Towards this tower with a Colombian flag. Only there I can change the money, as I mentioned before, because there are no change offices, no cambio. You wouldn't be able to change the money. Only in this building. It's green.
Ya se fue para la pinta. Ahí ve.
Este edificio, Banco Colombia. We're here a little bit cleaner than the previous areas in exactly city center. That's another gated entrance to the Botanero Square. As you can see, the entrance guarded by the police. All these fences, all these railing fences, the area get closed to prevent homeless people loitering all over the place. Skyline, this is our hotel where we are staying right now, Hotel Mandala Hotel. As you can see, near the Parco Berro metro station, just beside the cathedral. Right now it's National Museum. We Museo Nazionale. It's not nice film against the sun though, but we got what we got. It is what it is. We made several rounds along the all around the Botanero Plaza. Just came back once again. I want to make the kind of small video for stories, maybe for the group, English-speaking group. Small talk upon the square, because sun is shining pretty nicely. It gets lit up all these sculptures. The photo video should be turn out amazing. Just sign off for now. Just proceed right now upon the Botanero Plaza. Just taking up the vibes, so say taking up the vibes. This is secured area, as we can see, encompassed with the fence. All this area, all around of this Botanero Plaza got fenced up for security reasons. This is entrance guarded by the police. In the night time, about 9 p.m. it gets closed. No one could get through these fences. Maybe it's to prevent homeless people loitering around this area, getting to rough sleep upon the plaza, upon this square. A huge amount of them just sleeping roof upon the streets. Just get a little tour behind the secured area. All the shit is going on behind the fences. There's a lot of street food you can try out. Not pleasant look, but maybe it's not bad. It's very noisy over here. I won't be able to speak because there's nothing to hear. Been there all along the skyline. Yes, I want to cross this area. It's very dangerous. Not get knocked off. Don't get knocked off. The speakers, loud speakers, screaming. Vendors. This is a pork head or something. I already tried. Not bad thing. In Botanero Plaza over there. We're going just a little bit outside. From right hand side of Botanero Plaza. Casino. Everywhere casinos. It's not the better solution go against the sun though.
Questo.
A little bit traffic. The bars are open. It's Saturday today.
JK. Sigan a la orden. A mil pesos le vale, todo le vale 1000. Llevando a 1000, escogiendo, mirando, bienvenido, chicas. Más barato es imposible. Oiga, los que primero llegan serían lo mejor, chicas, sigan a la orden. A 1000. Pollo, choros, los choros, los pescados, las cebollas.
¿Qué estaba haciendo? Y me contaba.
Tenemos economía, bueno, cómodo, precio, la orden.
Botanero Plaza is a pretty much touristic area. As we can see, it's encompassed, fenced up. All this area fenced up, encompassed with a fence to prevent homeless people loitering around all over the square, sleeping rough upon the streets. It's not a safe place. I'd like to say I was here in 2011. It's situation getting worse with the criminal. But I am always trying to watch my back. I already been approached. Some sketchy guys tried to mug me, but I managed to stand my ground. I want to say hi from Medellin, Botanero Plaza. See y'all in the future videos. Maybe in a small talk. Not maybe, but in the foreseeable future, of course. See ya, guys. Choose.